Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crocio Art. Today we are going to make this very beautiful crochet tea coaster. So let's start. We have taken wool of 4 ply and crochet is of 3 mm. First we'll make a magic ring. Then we'll make 6 single crochets through the ring. Six single crochets we have made. Now we'll tighten the ring and we'll attach the first chain with the help of slip stitch. This was our first round. Total we'll make 5 rounds. In the second round we'll make 2 incomplete treble crochets first. For that we have first made 3 chains. Now we'll make 1 incomplete treble crochets in the same chain. Now we'll club the two. In between two clusters we'll make 3 chains. So we have made 3 chains and again we'll make 2 incomplete treble crochets in the immediate next chain. 6 single crochets we had made in the first round, so 6 petals we'll make in the second round. So in the second round we'll make a cluster of 2 incomplete treble crochets and 3 chains, again 2 treble crochets and 3 chains. This will make 6 times. Second round we are going to complete now 3 chains and we'll attach with the upper chain with the help of slip stitch. Now for the third round, we first go to the next pocket and we'll make one single crochet. Here we'll make a cluster of 5 treble crochets. So we'll make 5 incomplete treble crochets first. And now we'll club all into one. Now between two clusters we'll make 7 chains. So we'll make 7 chains. And again we'll make a cluster of 5 incomplete treble crochets in the next pocket. Club into one and again make 7 chains. Following this pattern, we'll complete our third round also. With slip stitch, we'll attach with the upper chain. Now fourth round, which is very easy, we'll make 5 single crochets in the gap. Five single crochets and now 5 chains. Again we'll make 5 single crochets in the same pocket. Now we move to next pocket, but we make first a 1 chain and we'll again make 5 single crochets, 5 chains and 5 single crochets in every pocket. This round is very easy to make. Now we start our fifth and final round. We first make a single crochet and then we'll make 2 chains which will work for 1 double crochet. And now we'll make 5 double crochets in the small pocket. Two chains and again a set of 5 double crochets in the same pocket. One double crochet in the down, and we'll make 5 chains and we'll attach here also with the help of slip stitch. And again we'll make 5 double crochets, 2 chains and 5 double crochets in the small pocket as we did before. And again 1 double crochet in between, 5 chains, and we'll attach with the help of slip stitch. This pattern is very interesting to make. Following this pattern we'll complete our 5th and final round. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. Our tea coaster is ready. We'll take the extra thread at the back side neatly. I'm eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.